In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at how we link tracks together. This has been a feature that's been sought after for a very long time. And the whole idea is that if I have two tracks like these two here that I want to have in sync, when I do any editing, I would like to be able to do editing on both tracks at the same time. So instead of just highlighting one track, it will highlight both tracks. Doing this is very simple. Select the tracks that you would like to link. I have selected track number 1 and now Control selected track number 2. I can now right click on them and say Link Tracks. Like so. So now whenever I drag a selection here on the track, I will be selecting for both tracks. I can do an edit like this. So everything moves in sync. This also goes for if I made a highlight like this, I wanted to do a fade. If I want to cut out the space here, simply do that. So now we've linked the tracks. Now if we want to unlink the tracks again, we can just right click on the track selector over here, say Unlink Tracks, and now we're back to normal again. You don't need to have tracks next to each other that are linked together. You can select any tracks or any number of tracks. So we could select track number 1 and track number 3, have them linked together. So now if we select track number 1, we also select track number 3, and we make selections on them both.